In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can install Google TV on your Windows 10, Windows 11. If you are new on this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video with your friend, and don't forget to drop a like. So, you're going to open your Android Studio on your PC, and if you don't have it, you're going to first watch a tutorial on how to install Android Studio, which I'll pin in this video's description. So I'm going to open my Android Studio, and then I'm going to come where you see more actions. I'll look for Virtual Device Manager, and then I'll come and tap where you see this plus button. When I tap that plus button, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. I'm going to come where I see TV, and then I'm going to choose the resolution which I want my TV to be in. I can choose the 1080p, that is HD. I can choose the 4K, that is Ultra HD. I can choose 720p, but me, I prefer a 4K media. So I'm going to select next, and then I'm going to come and I download any of these. If my device is a 64, I'll choose to download Google TV this. If my device is 86, I'll choose that. So I recommend you to download either this or this, but me, I downloaded both. Then after downloading, I'm going to come where I see name, where I see this television name, and I will name it Google TV. Google TV 4K. Now I'll come and then visit the additional settings just to check. For the boot, I'll choose cold boot. Internal storage, I'll choose the storage I want it to take, and then I'll choose this expanded storage, and CPU cores I'll customize as I want. The RAM I'll keep in 2, and then I'll come and press finish. Then I'll wait for it to create an AVD file, and after creating it, I'm going to come and tap right here. By tapping right there, my Android TV will start up, and that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Marustek, and I sign out.